Deep in the golden sands of the Sahara lies a city of legend, Timbuktu, the intellectual heart of ancient Africa. Within its mud brick walls are treasures more valuable than gold, ancient manuscripts preserved for centuries. At the crossroads of the salt and gold trade, Timbuktu became a global melting pot of ideas. Trade routes from across the continent converged here, bringing diverse cultures to this vibrant desert hub. In bustling marketplaces, handwritten books were traded with the same fervor as gold and spices. Under the visionary ruler Mansa Musa, the city reached a golden age, attracting the world's finest scholars. The iconic Senka Mosque rose from the earth, a monument to both faith and higher learning. Over 25,000 students gathered in traditional madrasas to master the great arts and sciences. From astronomy to medicine, Timbuktu's vast libraries housed the collective knowledge of the Middle Ages. Intricate calligraphy preserved a legacy of African excellence and groundbreaking intellectual achievement. Today, modern scholars work tirelessly to protect these fragile pages and the wisdom they contain. Timbuktu remains a timeless symbol of African heritage and the enduring power of human knowledge.